This is SafetyLink's patented ladder stabilizer, the LadderLink. An essential entry point to any height safety system. Installing the LadderLink is easy. To begin, simply remove the existing hex head roofing screws along the bottom edge of the roof sheeting at the desired location. Next, slide the LadderLink under the roof sheeting, between the sheeting and batten. Then, position the LadderLink so the curved section, with the tie-down points, is positioned over the gutter's edge. Once the LadderLink is in the desired location, drill a pilot hole through each of the existing screw holes through the base of the LadderLink. Now you can reinstall the hex head roofing screws through the original holes, through the ladder bracket, and into the roof batten below. Now the installation is complete, you may now use your LadderLink by positioning your ladder so the rung sits inside the cradle. It is essential to secure the ladder with a ladder restraint strap, using the included tie-off points on the LadderLink, which can then be firmly tightened and tucked away under the lip, and loose end to be tied back to prevent a tripping hazard. Quick and easy to install, the LadderLink combined with the ladder restraint strap secures your ladder in place safely, ensuring the ladder does not slip down or move sideways while you're accessing or leaving the roof. Additionally, the LadderLink will protect your gutters from damage that would have otherwise been caused by the ladder, such as scratching, dinting or bending.